What if I told you that most men are doing Kegel exercises wrong, and that doing them wrong can actually make pelvic problems worse? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through beginner Kegel exercises for men, including a full follow-along workout you can do right now at home. This routine is designed for beginners. No complicated terms, no extreme squeezing, just proper muscle control, balance, and relaxation, the foundation for long-term pelvic strength and control. Before we start, 3 important rules. Do not hold your breath. Do not tighten your abs, glutes, or thighs. Do not perform Kegels while urinating. That's only for testing once. If you feel pain, burning, pressure, or discomfort, stop. Kegels should feel controlled, not aggressive. Let's identify the right muscle first. Imagine you're gently trying to stop passing gas. Or imagine lifting the muscles upward inside the pelvis. That subtle lifting sensation, that's your pelvic floor. If your stomach tightens or your body tenses, you're using too much force. Reduce effort to about 30% strength. Step 2. Starting position. Pew. Breathing. For beginners, the best position is lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. We always contract on the exhale. Follow along beginner workout. Part A, gentle holds. Plus, long relaxation, most important. We'll do 8 repetitions, each rep. Hold for 3 seconds, relax for 6 seconds.